rain. We can see lots of rain from the sky. Rain. Rain by Robert Kahn, illustrated by Donald Cruz. Blue sky, yellow sun, white clouds, gray clouds. The clouds color is changed. No sun. Oh my gosh, lots of clouds covered sun. Rain on the green grass. Rain on the black road. This is black road, but there are so many rains on the black road too. Rain on the red car. Rain on the orange flowers. These are orange flowers, but rain comes on the orange flowers too. Rain on the brown fence. Can you see the fence here? The color is brown, so you can say the brown fence. But rain on the brown fence. Rain on the purple flowers. Oh, we can see purple flowers too. But there are also rain on the purple flower. Rain on the white clouds. Rain on the white house. Here, white house. Rain on the green trees. Even green trees, there are rain. There is lots of rain. 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 Oh my God, it's pouring. The cloud. The sky is getting more dark and dark. It's pouring. But rainbow. Rainbow comes in the sky. Rain.